So, part of the, I was looking through my headcam footage and I discovered, or I forgot to put on the film of O Britannia headcam footage. So, this is a bit of a catch up and a little bit late. However, this is what we saw on the head cam walking around, because you know I like walking around like a pleb, don't you, with my head cam on my head. let's have a look, see what we saw. Oh, here, Debbie, we found Debbie. I said to Debbie, right, I'm taking a walk around with the head cam. This is film 59. It's only going to run to 62. It looks like this was a sea day. Yeah, so I can't see land. This must have been a sea day. Camera on your head and walk around day. Yeah, I didn't really want to follow the same people walking around, so I've got my foot down. Back of the boat. Where one of the bubbly baths are. Trying to get as high as I can, I think, to see what we can see from above. I'm aware I've got the camera on my head. I'm trying to sort of pan slowly, I think. Just generally walk around and have a look at things. Trying not to stare or look at one particular thing or one particular person. Just give you a general feel and a general walk around. Nearly ready for a sway change. I think Debbie's got me, or is thinking of, getting me some better camera equipment for my, she's been asking questions. I think I'm going to get a new camera as a retirement present. That's what she's thinking of anyway. But I'm leaning towards one particular type of camera, and Debbie's sort of leaning towards another different type of camera. So I'll let you know which camera I get when I ooh, what happened there? Let's go again. Oh, what is this? Ah, we must be indoors here now. Yeah. I'll let you know when retirement date comes, which camera she gets me. So we've come indoors now. We're having a walk around indoors, inside the Britannia. What's this? They call this the atrium, is it? The big bit in the middle? With the different levels. And the shopping level and the eating level. There's one more after this. Let's see what it says. Where are we headed towards? Oh yeah, we're headed towards the I think the gold section. Clog Eye Gold here somewhere, I thought. Maybe not. I think this must be the run back, because that's when the special offer starts and the discounts begin, and you start getting the bargains. Well, relative bargains, if you know what I mean. P&O Cruises style. The good thing is you're not getting any copies, are you? You're getting the real McCoy here. So if you're buying perfume, you know you're getting the real perfume. You're not getting the copy, the fake stuff from the market. It's not supplied by the same supplier that gives the fake stuff to the man in the market. You get perfume on these boats, you're getting the real proper perfume. There's no knockoff gear in the boats. We've made our way down to the bottom now, look. I wonder where we go next. Lovely big space in the middle, isn't it? Whoops. What did this last one have to show us? As usual, oh, maybe not. As usual, I do a lot of filming of the floor, but I think we've decided to move floors and go through the dining side of things, or of one of the food places. For some reason it's twisted in my head somewhere. Try and keep it level for you. So I hope this gives you a brief idea of O Britannia after the refurb. Because this is after it had all been, it had had it refurb this year. But yeah, as you can see, I don't mind walking around with a camera strapped to my head. Bit of fun, isn't it? I think that's about it, yeah.